Welcome to WWW Website of the Week every Wednesday. In today's episode, I want to feature a website that archives and takes snapshots of websites all across the world in different timelines. So let's head over archive.org. Now this website caught my attention because when I was able to head over this web section over here, and let's say I want to type in a website that I used to own and run. And what's funny enough is that it would show a whole timeline from present up to the date that it was registered, and it actually shows me snapshots of how it looked during a particular time. So let's say I want to go to the very first time when I purchased the domain and built a website. So let's say I'm going to look at this date, and then if I opened it up, it would show how my website was designed at that particular time. So not all elements are being shown here, but it's quite accurate because this is exactly how it looked like on that particular day. So if I want to look into a different timeline, let's say I want to go through a couple of years ahead, and I want to look through this date, and if I open it up, it would show me a different design on that particular date, which is the actual design from what I recall for the website. So it's really a cool feature if you really want to travel back into time and see how your website was built. Now, I haven't done extensive research about where these snapshots are being stored or what was the reason of having an archive, but it's a really nice way of really traveling back into the past and seeing where your website was built and how it was improved from a particular time. It gives you a lot of sense of walking down to memory lane and showing how far your website has come from how it was built. Of course, like I said, I haven't dug into so much of the details and why my website was being archived. It seems that this organization that archives websites all around the world is really taking snapshots of every website that is being developed on the internet. It's actually quite nice and creepy in a way because it keeps track of every website on the internet without you even knowing it. I don't know if this has any complications when it comes to privacy, but I guess since all websites are public domains, except the private ones, then I guess we wouldn't have any problems when it comes to privacy. At least you get the fun of even going back into the past and seeing where your website has come along all these years. So I guess it's a fun website to visit. I'm not sure where this website could really help you out, but really go back into seeing how your website was in the last few years. So I guess this is great just for creating stories on where you started and where you end up. And if you're curious about even other websites, maybe other people could investigate if they're doing their due diligence, has this website been around for how many years? Are they really telling the truth that this website has been operating since, let's say, 2010? So maybe it's great to go back to this website and actually do your research and due diligence on other companies that is required to have a back check in terms of their presence online and history. I'd like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope this educates you on the topic on hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also that bell button to get notifications on the latest uploads I do every week. In the case you'll require a team or agency to build a website for you, don't forget to check out Mediafied.com. I have a bunch of web developers ready to build your website, and we offer the best plans and packages for every website need that you'll require.